It's a lot to do with timing, getting a trucking job as a newbie. Stay tuned to this video and I talk about that. Hey, the new deal has arrived. I'm talking about the better rates for drivers, truck drivers around Christmas. Remember, I am keeping on insisting about one video that I've made about seasons. Go check it out if you haven't done so and you're interested in trucking jobs and you want to understand the flow. It says in there, I talk about mid-November, and I think this is a beginning, sharp beginning of what I was talking of. The rates are changed around Christmas for temporaries. You get that little boom that we get around Christmas increases the rates. So temporaries, people who are temporary, they know how to work hard, knock it out around now, and then when it gets slower, that was my life before. When it got slower, I went on a break. So I knew exactly about the peak days, when it starts and when it ends. So I have to attend fully. You get? Because I'm aware once it gets slow as a temporary, there are no calls. So that's how I learned these seasons. I'm just saying now, things looking good. They have given us those new calls and all. The rate is up. Don't give up. Actually, this now reminds me of a friend, someone I've talked with off of the channel. So this guy got his, he applied for his all operator license, all license. I think he applied towards the end of summer, or he mistimed it. So what happened? He got that all license, when now it's autumn. The summer, when the summer boom has gone and they say to you now, you go and buy your truck and go and start trading. It can be very iffy. You need a lot of money to start like that. Or you can actually fail. It is very important that they give you the permission or you start to trade when it's a boom. First of all, there are old people who are doing it already. You're the new person who they don't know. So how do you come and compete with people when it's down now? Yeah, when it's off season, they need less operators, and now you're the new operator they don't know. So how are they going to give you a chance and let others who they knew from last season and prefer you? That means, especially this is to do with operator licenses. New traders, yes, you can get your license, but in my opinion, you need to start to trade when the peak is there. Christmas or summer, there are only two major peaks in our trucking seasons, especially of UK, Britain. I ain't talking for other places, but this is generally everywhere the same. It's always the same, although I'm talking for only this economy here in trucking in this UK. Yeah, either you're starting to get your trade as a new truck owner in summer or around Christmas. That means if they give you the operator license, do not start to trade until you get one of those booms. If you do, you will be like this guy who I've been speaking with, who I've been consoling. He has gone through so many losses. He's trying to sell the vehicle. Yeah, he wants to sell the vehicle, and I've been encouraging him, just give it another few weeks. Give it at least December. If December the 1st, you don't have no jobs, you're not active, then you just sell your truck. Okay? Because I know mid-November to December, that's when it kicks. December is a good month. January is still a working month. Feb is the worst of the months, as well as even this November is one of the worst ones. Okay? Go check out that video where I label around the times when the thing comes up and when it goes down. Also, when you know that, it helps you in a way that if you're an agency worker, you know when to fool around with these calls. If it's slow and then you're being choosy, you're going to backfire. If it's busy, then you can be choosy. You get? Simple as. Then you can say, no, that one is harder. That one is easier. This one pays more. But if it's slow and then you start being choosy because you don't know it's slow, then you're in a what? You're getting in the mud. So that's today's thing. It's good rates. I've started again. I'm on the thing. And as it is, I'm stuck on the part-time until I can sort out something, my personal life. But still, even if I'm on part-time, it's good to go and know that the rate is alright. It's more worth it coming out to do the jobs. But yeah, this is the time where if you have fully ability to work, you can hammer it good. Hammer it good. These are the times that the permanent workers are not having that much fun because they're earning almost the same, whether it's busy or not. So I bet they earn a bit more. Yeah, they earn a bit more when they're doing the longer hours on Christmas boom, but their rate don't necessarily change simply because it's now Christmas season. You get? That means they feel that they're suffering extra for no extra rate. That basically is a happy time for temporaries, and it's not a very happy time for permanent. And when it's slow, it's the other way around. When it's slow, permanent workers just smile around the place while the temporaries are wondering, are they going to survive? Not a long video. You lot, please sub to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Just talking about the new rate, the mid November, that as predicted, the rate has changed and it's a good rate. I'm about to come out over here. They told me to waiting on a red light. I don't know, can you see from there? Yeah, until they get all that they need, then can let us to go. But I'm on a very easy 1 day shift, just bits and bobs here and there, a couple of depots. Yep, and then we can call it a day. You get? We can call it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at this. Stay safe, God bless, love you.